Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about methods of irrigation. In my last video I have given you a detailed explanation about water resources, hydrological cycle, and also about irrigation, reasons, why do we need irrigation. So today we will start with the methods of irrigation, primitive methods, the methods that were used in the olden days. One of the most established methods are the wells. We still find wells in many houses, many farms. These wells use groundwater, and wherever the groundwater is sufficient, there the well system of irrigation is very useful, and the soil must be soft, otherwise the construction of well will be difficult. So the advantages of this system is that it is very simple to dig a well, it is also very cheap, and it can be dug in any convenient place in the farm or anywhere near it, and it is an independent source. That is, it does not require any electricity or anything else. It is not dependent on any other source. Next is disadvantage. Disadvantage is one is drying up of the well. That is, a well does not provide water the whole year. Now, limited amount of land can be irrigated with well irrigation because it does not provide enough water. Next is time consuming, because taking up water every time from the well and then irrigating the land is quite time consuming. Sometimes the well water becomes saline and brackish due to the presence of several metals and non-metals in the soil, so that may cause a problem for the crops. So this well irrigation, the distribution of this type of irrigation is found mainly in northern plains due to availability of groundwater and soft soil, mainly in the regions of Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan, UP and Bihar, because here the groundwater table is high. Next we move on to tank irrigation. Tank is found in regions where the rocks are hard and permeable, so there is no seepage of water below. Then these are found in areas where natural depressions occur, the topography is rugged and uneven, and then these are generally found in seasonal peninsular rivers. So here we can store the water in the tanks for a few days, but here also we do not get the water for irrigation all the year round. Next is the impervious bedrock is very important, because if the lower layers are permeable, then the water will seep downwards and there will be no use, like we will not be able to use the water. Now next is advantages. It is very simple and easy, it is also cheap, and surplus water during the monsoon can be stored automatically and be reused. So it is a very important part of recycling of water and harvesting of rainwater. Next is distribution. We find them in peninsular India because we know the topography there is very rugged and uneven, and over there are natural depressions, so it is very easy to find tank irrigation over there, mainly in the states of Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka and Orissa. So next we'll move on to inundation canals. So inundation canals are another method of irrigation. These canals get filled up when the river is flooded, and this flood water are filled in this inundation canals which are dug from the river source, and during heavy rainfall these canals get water, and this is further used for irrigation purpose. And these distribution of these types of canals are found obviously near river sources, especially near river Satluj. This type of canals are found. So in our next video we will be discussing the modern methods of irrigation, and we will be telling about all the methods. So stay tuned and please subscribe and like the channel. Bye bye.